Hi. So setting up a Notion dashboard is all well and good until you need to start using it. So how you hone it and adjust it and how you log in for the day and set up your tasks is almost more important than the initial setup. You'll find over time you refine things to make it more sort of fit for use and to manage your tasks day to day. So that's what I'm going to show you now. Okay, so here is where we started. We've got some tasks pulling in from one database, the tasks and planning, and then one list of tasks that is coming from the content management database. We've got some quick tasks and we've got a timeline here. So looking at this, the first thing I like to do is add a timeline view that I can quickly select up in here as a view changer. So I want to add a view. I want it to link to the same tasks and planning. I want it to be a new empty view, and it's going to be PP task timeline. I don't need to show the database title. I want to keep it really clean. That's probably enough for that. I want it to sort by due date. I want it to filter when the status is not done, probably not for reference either. And I don't really want a load limit to be that small. I want it to have as many tasks as possible. And then I'll update to today. And so part of what this will let you do now is quickly switch from this view where we've got filtered, assigned to me and due on or before today, and across to, actually that's a good point, I will filter for assigned to me. And so it shows me kind of, all right, these are some things I said I'd do last week, where are we up to today? And part of the process then for managing the tasks when you log in for the day is you can do a quick look at what's here and then think to yourself, well, actually things have changed. In my case, I got COVID last week, so maybe I'll write a blog post today. I'll hold off posting to Facebook and Twitter until the next Wednesday that I'm off my regular job. Make a YouTube video, I'm doing that right now. Post to TikTok, I might save that for another day as well, not feeling too ticky-tocky today. And requesting my next 3 Instagram posts, that can be next week as well. Classic fail here is just moving everything to the next available day. Project management wisdom tells you should be realistic about how long things are going to take and try to spread them out. But here we are. Linktree and YouTube URL, those are things I know I can push further ahead. So let's push them 2 weeks away. And then once that's all done, I can see what my tasks are for today, this video, and write a surrounding blog post. Next week will be some social media bits, and then the following week will be updating URLs and things if we have 100 subscribers, lol. So if we head back to the tasks view, now I've got this nice tidy list of just the things that are relevant to me today, and I can quickly switch and see what's coming up, move them around, or switch back. So that's something I like to do on my dashboard, and I'd probably do the same to this guy, but not in this video. The next thing I might do coming down is I've got this nice timeline that tells me which videos I've posted on which days. Here I know I'm creating a new one, which is how to refine your personal dashboard in Notion. How very meta that is today. Our date for YouTube is going to be today's date, doesn't need an end date. The post type, it's going to link to PP, it's in progress. Network is going to be YouTube. And I think this is going to relate to the same blog post that I have started last week. So that's all the information. I can slide that away, and then I can see that's my next one coming up. But another thing I might want to do here is add in my TikTok timeline. So that's a different view of the same database. I can actually pre-fill this one that is already created, which means it's filtered by, has a date for TikTok. We'll sort by date for TikTok. Again, I like just bumping up that load limit, and let's see how that looks. So now we have our TikTok timeline, YouTube posting timeline. I might actually want to get rid of this heading because I don't really need to see it every time. So you can hide database title. And I don't know if I need to see this little table with the names of the things. So I can unshow that table. So there's YouTube posting timeline, TikTok timeline, that's fine. And I will do the same thing over here. Don't show the table. So now I can quickly see, what have I posted here? What have I posted there? And those are my kind of edits for today's dashboard. So just a couple of quick switches that help me set up and triage for the day. Now I'm onto this one, and now I'm going to post it. By the way, check out the linked post. If I can figure out how to do it, it'll be here somewhere. That'll go through with the steps and some screenshots and some more information. And we're trying to get to 100 subscribers on YouTube so that we can claim our URL. So if you want to subscribe, even just for a little while, till we hit the 100 and then unsubscribe again, that would be fine. Or stick around if you like it, and you'll see more videos like this. And maybe they won't all be about Notion, but we'll see.